Oh my god, you've got to be shitting me. My girlfriend just showed up. Son of a bitch.
Shout out to Papua New Guinea. Hey babe, I know it's
Papua's flag. It's pretty cool, actually.
I didn't realize it would show you. Like, you see that one?
Yeah, that's Wales.
Yep, good boy. What about this one?
Is that a rooster?
I don't know.
It's like Germany rooster? I don't know. I'm sorry, people from that country.
You do not know the way.
I don't know how to play this game properly. I know the basic commands.
Look at God, Tyler. You're a hot pink with a Korean flag. I cannot believe you, man.
Can it be any more kawaii, Tyler?
That's Japanese, you fucker.
Kawaii? Oh, Tyler-san, so kawaii desu.
It's like the second time this week that I annoyed Tyler by doing that.
Oh, you're going to struggle with this, Luis, because Luis hasn't played.
Oh, God. I haven't played in, like, forever.
Well, same. Oh, we're actually against people? Oh, we're going to die.
That's great. Oh, this is going to end terribly. Well, no.
Oh. No!
Tyler. Keyboard. Ah!
Is it just going to be us yelling?
Yeah, why'd you crash into me? You son of a bitch.
Oh, I'm getting all sorts of lag.
Tyler, how do I play? How do I do stuff? Oh, right click. Okay. That jumps. Alright. Like,
fucking hell.
Nice! We use your footage, because mine was me just running into the wall.
Oh, I got good footage of that. Right.
I don't know why I just knocked that towards our damn goal.
Yeah, Jim, what the fuck are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Destroyed someone. That is awesome. I'm gonna do that for the rest of the match.
If you do that, I'll be happy.
Tyler, how the hell do I boost? I am totally brain farting.
Fuck it.
Left click.
Oh shit! My time to shine, and I just
keep trying to hit shift for some reason.
No.
I fucked it.
Fuck. Ah, shit. Oh, and I blew up. That's not good.
Completely missed it.
Wait, it was the AI?
Yeah.
Wow, that's bad.
It shows a lot.
We're not terribly good at this. I'm not making any claims to being any good at Rocket League in the sense.
Did you just say, how is that arsehole flying? Alright, Tommy.
Yes.
You're just a warning. The microphone's on and I'm recording.
Wait.
Feel free to say something, because we're getting our asses kicked.
Wow.
Wow. Nearly scoring own goals.
Shit.
It's Rocket League.
Wrong goal, fellas. Sorry about that.
Wrong goal. Correct.
You fucking get out.
I'm so atrocious at this game.
Anyway, what will be making a movie later, right, mate?
Okay, see you, dude.
Are you on the
Good
WhatsApp
job, Tyler.
I am not.
It was all on you.
Also, they're saying very mean things about you because I just totally let them score while talking to you.
Oh well, tell them to suck it.
My brother has told you guys to suck it.
Oh,
God, your brother's a piece of shit.
Well, he did have a potty in his hand earlier. Luis, what the fuck?
Why?
You went straight into me.
I'm so embarrassed to be playing this game.
Fucking Luis shoved me forwards. Oh my god.
So embarrassed.
I love it. Chaos. We're playing against AI after this.
Hey, look, I got it away from the goal team. I cleared the ball. We got a clear ball.
Go,
Oh my
Tyler.
god, go Tyler.
Oh.
Damn it, Tyler. Damn it.
Shit.
Fuck.
Damn it.
Let's cover up the scoreboard on the recording so no one knows we're 4-1 behind.
Oh, yeah, we are totally winning. We're like
Yeah,
North Korea. They lose and they say they won, so...
Sorry, Luis.
Team North
Why
Korea.
did you
is
do
that
that,
what
Tyler?
we're doing?
I had the ball.
Yeah, you did.
Ah, damn it.
Tyler, are you sabotaging me for your own glory?
Yes, the glory of being 4-1 down. Okay, right. Go on, Jim. Finish it.
I have no boost. Ah,
God damn it. What the fuck?
Somebody blew up.
I miss European servers.
European. I just did recommended, which auto-picked U.S. East and U.S. West.
Oh, fuck.
I miss being good at games.
I don't miss being good at this one because I was never good at it.
Alright, Tyler.
I'm so bad at this.
Oh, go on, Luis!
Oh, yeah!
Luis,
Oh,
you did
my God. Luis got a point. Y'all,
I think
we're
that
not
counts as a
4-1
win.
anymore.
That's fucking
We may have lost a battle, but I won a personal battle here.
fucking hell.
Ah. Get it, Tyler! Get it!
No, they can't score from that.
Well,
We did it. Look at us. Neo, 200k, and good play, Ruby. I'm just totally pretending they're all you guys.
Hey,
I got a new car.
captain's hat.
Oh my god. They're ready to go again. It's in the
Yeah, I bet they
computers.
are.
I can imagine like professional, well not professional, but like fairly decent Rocket League players watching
I don't even
this.
want to talk about. I don't want to talk about anybody who
'Cause,
does
like,
this like in
even-
kind of any kind of pro or semi-pro fashion.
Oh, tease it. Tease
Alright,
it.
that was a good one. Gotta keep doing that, I guess. Oh yes, babe!
Oh,
Yes!
nice!
Fuck! Luis is
Wow.
actually good at this.
Brazilian blood's coming out at him.
I was gonna say, oh yes, bitch, and I done saying, yeah, oh yes, babe.
Oh yes, man. Why am I on the friggin' nice?
Oh, you like that?
Don't like that.
Okay, I'll stop it.
Tyler, why are you making those noises?
I don't know, it's sexual.
Just having
We're playing with balls.
damn it.
Come on.
Yeah, well,
Too much fun with
could
the.
say that.
Don't say that.
How do I make U-turns?
Damn it! I jumped too late. I just ended up hitting Neo. I didn't actually hit the ball.
Yeah, Neo squished me out of the way as well.
I sent him flying though. Jeez.
So how was your day?
Pretty good. Man, I'm going
what
to... This fucking Neo guy.
What? Dude, I lost my internet.
Yeah,
Wait, what? Jim? Ah, fuck.
no. Jim left the pie and he's
I
just sat and
lost
gone.
my internet. My back.
Alright,
don't know.
Tyler. It's just you and me, pal.
You are here, but it's a massive
back.
disadvantage. You're just sat
Oh
there.
my god, what the
You
hell?
just
I lost it
stopped
again.
here.
Son of a bitch. Really not
I'm
good
blaming
at this game,
Jim
at least.
because Luis is doing pretty good.
I cleared it. Haha. Redemption. Sorta. Not really.
Go, Tyler. Go, 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 go.
Oh, I couldn't get it across the wall.
That did not go anywhere near where I thought it was going to go.
Oh, yes, Tyler.
Nice.
There you go, standard.
Standard. There you go, standard.
That was pretty standard. Oh,
That's a pretty standard bitch move right there.
that was.
Ah, fuck.
Damn it.
Whee! Get it away!
That's it. Nope, nope. Thought he got it.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, no. Nah, shit.
Damn it.
Oh shit! What the?
Ah. This guy's got some Squirtle.
Jim!
Got him, Squirtle.
Jim, what?
I just see as on my side, I'm trying to knock the ball away from the goal and being really sensitive, and then you just go flying by.
Yeah, I was trying to get on the inside of it and just nail it with everything I had.
Oh, this might go in.
No, it won't. Ah.
Nice, Tyler.
Nice.
Sorry about that, Luis. I knocked you
That's
flying.
fine, it's fine. Oh, fuck.
Shit.
That's not fine.
Wow.
God damn.
Wow.
Jadon,
That son of a bitch
Jadon,
is like
Squirtle,
fancy. Did you
bitch.
see that? Did he like pass it to himself? God. Are
Oh.
we all kinds of terrible?
Well, at least we scored twice.
Silence afterwards says everything.
I don't even know.
Come on, bringing that fucking aerial game in here.
Nope! Why did I do that? What the fuck? I just own Goldust.
So, for the next game, should we predict what the score's gonna be?
Oh, it totally was Jim. He gave the point to like the hash shilling slash or something,
God,
but
I'm so terrible at this game.
oh, Jim,
so
why?
terrible.
Why do you betray
I
me so?
Can be.
Mine.
Oh yeah, Tyler. Keep going.
Oh,
Oh shit! Nice.
Tyler has a pro tag.
No, that doesn't mean anything.
Hey guys, I hit the ball.
Oh,
Not sure that's gonna
nice.
do
one.
us any good. You see what it's like when I touch the ball.
Luís, you saw that, right?
Ah, fucking.
That's the shit you should be doing all the time.
What is my car doing?
I couldn't hit it. Like, Jim saw how angry I was at this guy.
Yeah, even though Tyler and I weren't talking. Oh my god, I got a point!
Nice one, Jim.
Holy hell.
I got an assist.
I just saw all their team go up in the air.
What was that?
I can't believe it. I scored for us instead of on us.
But I say, now you're even.
Right now, I'm 0-0. I'm effectively 0 now.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh
No,
no.
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 At least you didn't knock it into our own goal, Tyler. You missed it miserably, but
I can't even focus.
you like backflipped into the goal.
Man.
I don't know. Oh no, you don't! You fuck!
Nope.
Ah.
Like, if this was me on my own and I was losing by this scoreline, I would be pissed. But I'm really having a laugh.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm gonna stop like jumping because it's not doing us any good there at the beginning. When I say jumping, I mean jumping at the beginning. Oh, maybe I should stop jumping altogether because it's obviously still not doing us any good.
Jim's just like, maybe I should just put the controller down.
Oh,
no!
No! Get it cleared.
Son of a
I mean, we've
bitch.
lost, but I just don't want them to get 9 points.
Whee!
Ah.
Yay. That
Oh
was
my God.
atrocious.
Well
Tyler,
played.
have we
It's
ever won a
something.
game?
Oh, that was nearly a mistake. I pulled a mug towards me, and I didn't realise it's full of coffee. Normally it's the opposite way
You
around.
You pull Vic?
Oh,
Get it? Because mug.
Oh.
I don't know if she would be happy about hearing that.
Because of man, so
No, I meant
Tyler's
nothing
giving
sexual
Vic a tug
by that.
there. This is what I
Yeah,
meant
do
for
you know that slang for, like, pulling, you know? Grab your coat, you
No,
pull?
pulling
Really?
your pud there.
Shit, sorry about that.
He's trying to ship me and Vic now, I get it.
I'm on the other team, guys.
Oh, that would be even
Oh,
funnier.
really?
No, I really
Well.
am. I realized Spartan's not this green. It's like, oh shit.
Ah!
Wait,
So, Jim, you might win.
I think
I might.
Tyler, are you? Yeah, Jim is. Why are you betraying us, Jim?
I just readied up. I joined. I just picked the thing that said join party.
You
I mean,
fucking
apparently
traitor.
didn't join. I didn't do this. Okay. Wow, good job, Beast.
Oh, the beast is AI.
Well, that explains a lot. Fuck you! Damn it! Wait.
I think I'll actually be personally offended if Jim, like, volleys me. Or, like, chips it over my car or something from the other side of the thing.
You scratched the paint job, bitch.
To chip it over.
Do you not have that in soccer
This is
in America?
Oh,
Motherfucker!
man. Good job, my freaking teammates.
Oh, beast, you get out of here.
Damn. My ass up.
Man, I don't know who would have done such a thing.
Fucking ruin you, Tyler.
I'm gonna end.
That
That was you, Jim?
No, it wasn't me. Somebody got blown up right behind me, though, but it wasn't me.
Oh, I missed a ball.
Whoops.
Damn it!
Anyway, I apologize for the mug joke.
What no?
What was the slang again?
Pulled.
Said you're pulling on a mug, so you said you're pulling on Vic, and I said, well, Vic is a guy, so you're like giving
Right,
Vic a
and
tug.
pulling means what exactly?
It's like
Pull
a hand
means
job, like you're tugging on a
you.
penis. Or pulling
No.
Oh,
Really?
That's what I always thought. What do you mean? Wait, what's
In
the
England-
British?
Oh, I'm learning a lot today.
British slang is like if you pulled someone, it means you've actively like did well to like court them.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Oh, okay.
You know, in Australia, here in the U.S., if you ask someone who you're rooting for, it's usually a sports team or something like that, right? In
Yeah.
Australia, if you say who are you rooting for, it's who you're trying to get in bed with.
Ah. Fuck. Just-
I fucked it. God dang it, I fucked it.
I can't
No,
stop
no.
him.
No.
Oh, I did it!
I actually pushed the ball.
I still
God
got the
damn it.
score. Yes.
I just need to see this go in because I think it was Lewis.
I think it was
Neo
me.
totally
I think it was
missed
me.
it. Look. Me and Neo.
Fuck. It was me.
Oh, thank you, Luís, for the assist.
You're welcome, pal.
Oh, this is going in.
Nope.
Yeah, I heard that one before. Didn't work.
I've heard that one before. No, for real, this time it is. No, I mean it for real.
For real.
No, I know, babe, for real this time.
Again, I didn't mean sexual by that, but I get it.
Oh, God, this is what happens when you get all the boys together.
Whoa.
Okay, well, at least it wasn't one of you two.
All right.
It wasn't one of you two, so I'm okay with it.
So technically, it's still.
Oh no.
Boom!
That was actually Neo 2000.
So you see how fast Neo scored when I didn't get anywhere
That's
near
200,000.
Yeah,
Wait,
it's 200,000.
Is that like a 12-year-old in the profile picture?
Huh?
It
What?
looks like
Looks like a
kid.
ghost.
Did you say
Like,
12-year-old?
I was about to
like
say, where'd
the-
you get that from?
I
It
don't
looked
know.
like
It
an
just looks like a
alien.
young
You
kid,
don't
like
know.
the
You're the
top
one who thought it up.
quarter of a face. Just pay attention to the profile picture of his scores again, because it looks like a young
It
kid.
doesn't look anything like.
God, I'm so
It's
useful.
like the top quarter of a face with sunglasses on. I'm telling you, man.
Looks like a ghost to me, but all right,
Oh.
I'll go with that.
Fine. The top quarter of a
Nice.
face with
Thank you,
sunglasses
Neo.
on. God damn it.
Ugh.
See?
What?
He's saying, whoops,
Oh my
sorry,
God.
because
Oh,
he
okay, I
blocked.
see it now. No, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I see what you're saying. All right.
There we go.
Yeah. It took a second, but yeah. I got what you're saying. I mean, I don't know how you get age from that picture, but
That does
all right.
not look like an adult, man.
Jim, you won
I
your
don't,
first
I don't
game.
really know that it looks like a kid either.
It's an alien.
If it doesn't look like an adult, it looks like a kid.
So if you looked at a picture of a bird, you would be like, well, it's not a kid.
Oh my god.
What's
I'm talking about humans, Tyler. You said-
It's an alien.
How old do you think that bird is?
Fuck. That should have gone in.
Jesus Christ.
Damn it.
Go on, end it. No,
I was hoping for a really hard hit that it would like
Oh, yeah.
fly all the way down.
It
Woo!
lost.
I got the
Again.
triple threat achievement. Not
Yay.
sure. I'm a slowpoke apparently.
Look, while this is up on my screen, audience, that thing at the top there, how old do you think it is?
Oh Christ. Rookie, pro, or all-star for the
Let's
bots?
do rookie because that seems about appropriate for my level at least.
We'll
Wait,
find
which
out.
wait.
Doing orange.
Alright, orange. Good.
I refuse to be blue.
Tyler, you son of a bitch, you better be an orange scene.
Oh,
Tyler.
I just joined.
Tyler's definitely gonna be blue.
Fuck it.
Alright.
He's gonna be an ass.
No, he's
Okay.
here. Look.
Oh, okay. I can't actually see it.
I just realised I don't have this game on my solid state drive or anything, so loading's going to take a while.
Alright,
Wow,
I am great at this game.
Should we just cut, like, every time we concede a goal in the other games, cut it to this? It's like, yeah, we actually scored.
Yeah, it's a different arena, but don't worry. Sorry, Jim.
Jeez. Rammed it right at my ass there, didn't you?
Hey, don't kink shame.
Couldn't stop yourself, huh?
Oof. I actually touched that. I'm curious.
I don't know.
Apparently
Apparently the two of us did. Wow, chicka
He
power.
pinged it towards me, and I...
Just the tip.
Just above it, yeah.
Just a little love tap there. Damn it. Yeah, 5 points for getting first touch.
Ah,
Sure.
shit.
This is where they score.
Oh, wow. See how bad I am? I can't even... There's
Sorry,
nobody
Luís.
near me.
Why?
And I fucked that
No,
up.
that was just me having input lag. For once, I'm not making it up to cover up a bad excuse. Just getting it in the right direction. We should totally play something stupid after this. I know, Jim, you can't.
Aren't we
Yeah, I
playing
gotta
something
go, but-
stupid already?
That's
Because
what
our
I'm saying,
skill is
yeah.
fucking stupid.
Yeah, we're doing... Maybe Rookie was too easy. Holy shit. I mean, not too easy for me, because obviously I can't do anything.
Alright. Love tap.
Oh, sorry.
I was seeing if I could actually, like, land on Luís there as well. I jumped way too early.
Tomorrow, Viper, you guys can
Oh,
fuck
I
yourselves.
got a score!
Alright.
Hooray!
So, you know when I said all-star earlier?
Hey, now, you're a rock star. Or something.
We actually did set it on All-Star, I swear.
Yeah, this isn't that Left 4 Dead situation. Yeah, we're totally playing it on super hard.
Yeah, it's like, man, realistic mode.
The
Yeah,
question-
part of me wants to give realistic mode a try. Maybe that'll be like our final episode. Just for fun.
Fuck.
Just to see how terrible we are at Left 4 Dead 2.
Do you want it to be a 10-hour
Oh,
episode?
well, apparently we don't have.
Let's just see how far we
friendly
get
fire.
in like 1 hour. How about that?
We won't get anywhere. We don't have friendly
Yeah.
fire on.
No, but that's the thing. I think friendly fire is tied to the difficulty level.
Yeah, that means Luís will die like 50
Yeah.
times.
Yeah, no, Luís
I'll
would be
be
dead
fucking
instantly.
dead. That is, if I don't kill guys first, because it tends to shoot you in the back quite often.
No, but often you're standing in our way.
Yeah, that's
Well,
true.
that's just because you guys suck and you don't know how to work in a team.
That's especially true when Tyler's trying to do the pop. So
Don't know how to work in a team, says the man standing in everyone's line of fire.
I think you even admitted one time, Luís, that you're not a very good team player.
I admitted it jokingly, okay? I'm a great team player. You guys can go fuck yourselves.
We're in a team right now. We've just been told to go fuck ourselves. I'm a great team player.
I'm a fucking great team player.
I'm fucking great. Look at me. I'm
fucking
Luís.
great, I am. My name's
Fuck you.
Luís, and I'm fucking great.
I ruined your shot.
Red.
Get fucked.
Fucking fuck.
Sorry,
Tyler, you're
Jim.
a fucking terrible team player. God damn it, Luís.
Crikey! Wait a minute.
Hit it in the wrong damn direction. I thought that was what
Ah,
he
you son of a bitch!
Oh, I had no boost. Jim!
Oh, damn it. That was...
Oh, Jim.
Oh, I've got no
it was
boost
so
still.
close.
What am I
Just
doing?
just a little too much on it there. That's all. A little too much.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Fuck you.
Viper, you.
He's on the other team. Of course he's going to try stopping
I
you.
know, but he's an asshole. It's
Doesn't
an
mean I
AI,
like it.
so, you know.
It's not really a he, it's an AI. It's an it.
Are you saying
It, like the clown, that explains a lot.
it's not his name? It's Pennywise. Luís just goes dead
See,
silent.
Pennywise must have been really bullied when it was a kid. Like, kids probably called it
Sure.
penis-wise. That's the reason why it became like a serial killer or something. I'm still reading the book, so you know.
Why read the book when you can just watch the movie?
Because the book is always better.
Not always, but alright.
Not always, yeah.
Most of the time.
Have you ever tried reading a porno?
Have you ever tried reading a porno? Does that count? If, like, you watched one of those like German porns that were translated to English?
It's subtitles. It just says "oh yeah" over and over again.
I'm just saying, the in German they're going "ooh yeah," and then the subtitles say "oh yeah." Like it's like, yeah, I don't know why I need to read this.
Jeez, I wonder what they're saying here.
They're putting subtitles on this movie.
Oh, come on. I thought I was going in.
I got it! I saw my opportunity. It was golden.
It just says over and over again.
Ah? Oh, the word ah.
Whoops.
Oh! Fuck, that was supposed to be a great goal.
Subtitles for that?
What?
Oh.
English to Portuguese? Ah, porra! Wait, it did say fuck, right?
No, you said "aw." When you said "aw," that's what I was commenting on.
Oh, okay. I think it said "oh fuck." If
fuck.
So, that was the correct translation.
Not hit that proper.
Anyway.
Yay!
Alright, nice one, Tyler. Ah!
Oh!
Shit.
Too soon there.
We need subtitles again.
Oh, yeah!
You're welcome.
Alright, Jim.
You're welcome.
Stole the ball there.
I got a hat trick for that. I don't know what Samara was doing, but that's why I scored. If that AI had been 10% more intelligent and just jumped, I would have been ruined.
Go!
Nice, Tyler.
Nice one.
What's that?
Somehow I got an assist.
Yeah, because you hit it first.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, I
look.
did.
Dink.
That was
I'll
actually
take
really
all
damn good.
the credit for this. Thank you.
Could we have done that against like the teams that we were actually playing against, by the way?
Guys,
yeah,
we all have
totally.
3 scores. We're evenly bad at this game.
I don't know. Here I come, trying to beat you.
I don't know. I think Jim is pretty fucking bad.
That's what that's what Tyler tells all his girlfriends. I don't know. This could be pretty bad. Here I come.
Oh no!
Wee!
Oh man!
Oh my god! Also,
got an achievement.
Wee!
It's only the second match that I won. Gentlemen, that was fun. But
God, it reminds me of a Brazilian scoreline.
Alright, so everyone, thank you so much for watching, and let us know what you thought about this video. Also, that was totally not an adult in that picture. Please tell me I'm right. See ya.
Comment below.
Wait, I just totally forgot to save all the replays of the last one.
Recording has been saved. I saved it. It's fine.
Alright.
Okay.
Bye.